Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So, draught, draft, and draught. Draft. So, draft, a burst of cold air that flows through an area. Cold air. Let's say wind. There we are. Very good. Close. We could say close the door. There is a draft. Whoop. A draft. There's a draft of air. There is a cold draft of air. Close the window. The window. Yeah. I felt that draft of air. Oh, I felt it. They need to close the door because it's letting in a draft. Yeah. When it is a cold day and the windows are open, then a cold draft flows through the house. Yes. How cool is that? So, draft, an early version of something yet to be improved. Like draft. There we are. Yeah. I will write a draft of my story. Have they finished drawing the draft? Yeah. The draft has changed a lot over the weeks. I've written a draft of the novel. Yes, I need to write a draft first. Draft first, very important. That is very important. Yeah. These early drafts and sketches give us an idea of the buildings, yeah. These concept drafts, the drafts are very important because they will give us an idea what it will end up looking like. Yeah. These drafts give an idea for the scale, the size, the material, everything, glass, metal, plastic. With a draft, we can get an idea what it will be like. Yeah. Yeah, a draft. How cool is that? And draft, a cold burst of air. Yeah. So, can you use these in sentences? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.